Good morning, students. In last numeracies class, we have discussed about times in a day: morning, then noon, then evening, then night. And to that time also, we have said what we do in the morning, what we do in the noon, and what we do in evening as well as in night. So today in your numeracy skill sheet book, if you open this page, will say, see, it is written practice time. What do you do after you get up in the morning? Order the picture by giving them number. Yes, order what we do. First of all, there here four pictures there. First picture is a girl is packing her bag, a girl eating her breakfast, a girl brushing her teeth, a girl waking up in the morning. Now tell me, what do we do first? पहले हम ब्रश करते हैं, पहले टिफिन ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, पहले नींद से उठते हैं. फर्स्ट वी वेक अप, राइट? सो आई विल राइट one here. This is the first thing we do early in the morning, right? Okay. After waking up, what we do? We brush our teeth, isn't it? Do we pack our bag and eat breakfast, then brush our teeth? No. First we brush our teeth. Then what we do? We pack our bag or get dress up and eat breakfast. See, ये लड़की, this girl has dressed up. उसने school uniform पहन लिया. See, her bow tie and she is eating breakfast. So what she did, what she will do first? Pack her bag or eat her breakfast? Pack her bag. After that, we eat our breakfast and off to school, right? Isn't it? First, हम नींद से उठते हैं, we woke up in the morning, then we brush our teeth, then we pack our bag and we dress up and eat our breakfast. Okay? So, ma'am has done with pencil. She will show. See how she has written. You have to write the number in the circle. Similarly, in our Smart Mathematics book, there is a page. In page 112, what is written first? Then I will take my brush. Tick the picture that show daytime and cross the pictures that show night time. Now, एक पिक्चर में कौन सा डे टाइम है, कौन सा नाइट टाइम है, नॉर्मली हमें कैसे पता चलता है? बाय seeing moon, star, we can say it is night, and by seeing sun और एक्टिविटी जो हम दिन में करते हैं वो देख के हमें समझ में आते हैं डे टाइम. जैसे फर्स्ट पिक्चर, कैन यू सी अ बॉय शोइंग टुवर्ड्स द स्काई. हाउ इज द स्काई? द स्काई इज डार्क एंड द stars are twinkling, so it is night time, right? So we will put a cross. In the next picture, green grasses are there, black clouds are there, a white moon is there, twinkling star is there. So this is night time. Some children are sitting at in school, they are studying. तो हम स्कूल कब जाते हैं? नाइट में या डे में? डे टाइम. देखो, अभी जैसे मैंने बताया पिक्चर में, या तो हम मून, सन ये सब देख के समझ में आते या डे है या नाइट या एक्टिविटी. जैसे स्कूल का एक्टिविटी, उन्होंने कहीं ना मून दिखाया ना सन दिखाया, बस स्कूल व्हेन वी गो इन डे टाइम. दैट्स व्हाई दिस पिक्चर इज शोइंग डे टाइम. Now come to here. Family members are eating food together. But whether it is lunch or dinner, it is dinner because through the window, can you see the moon? Yes. So it is night time. The boy is sleeping and through the window we can see the moon. So it is night time. It is sleeping. He is not taking nap. Nap मतलब जब दोपहर को हम थोड़ी देर सोते हैं, that is called nap. But the boy is sleeping at night because we can see moon through his window. A girl is studying. अच्छा, अभी हम पढ़ाई कब करते हैं? सुबह तो हम स्कूल जाते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली शाम को, इवनिंग को, मतलब नाइट टाइम. सो इट इज क्रॉस. The boy is playing in the garden, but it is daytime or night? It is daytime. Can you see the sun? कैन यू सी द वाइट क्लाउड? बिकॉज स्काई साफ है एंड सन दिखाई दे रहा है, सो दिस इज डे टाइम. यू आर प्लेइंग विथ योर फ्रेंड्स इन द गार्डन. हम लोग रात को खेलने जाते हैं दिन में? डे टाइम, जैसे सनसेट होने से पहले, एक्चुअली इवनिंग में, डे टाइम में जब तक सन रहता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव पुट अ टिक. नाउ सी, मैम हैज़ डन विथ पेंसिल. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू डू. कभी भी कोई पिक्चर देख के आपको दिखा के आपको पूछिए डे है या नाइट है, सो इट इज़ अप टू यू. आपको समझना है, या तो मुझे स्काई देख के समझ में आएगा या एक्टिविटी देख के समझ में आएगा. ओके चिल्ड्रन? Children, till now we have learned number name till 34. Today we will learn three number names, 35, 36 and 37. And you know this number name is very easy. Why? Because you know the number name of 30 and you know number name of 5, 6, 7. You have to just write two number names and you will get one number name. Right? जैसे 35. So यहाँ पे you have to write the number name of 30 first. So what is the number name of 30? THIRTY, 30. And what is the number name of 5? FIVE. हो गया 35. Similarly, number name 36. First you have to write to number name of 30. What is the number name of 30? Repeat along with me. THIRTY. 30. SIX. 36. Similarly, 37. THIRTY. 30. SEVEN. 37. These three number names from 30, जैसे 21 to 29 was very easy. Similarly, 31 to 39 is also very easy. Now we have learned till 37. So next class हम सीखेंगे 38 and 39 and 40. 40 is a new number name, but 38 and 39 again is a new old number name for you, right? So now children, take your book and start doing this work first, and then that smart mathematics book में page number 112. Okay, till then, bye, take care.